pattern in the description. Glue all details with a sticky tape. Choose your size. Cut 5 details. Cut details for ruffles. You will need 4 centimeters wide and 150 centimeters length. In total, 45 strings. Cut bottom details. You will need 37 centimeters wide and 150 centimeters long. In total, 10 rectangle shape details. Baby lock edges of the ruffles. Ruffle the bottom part of the skirt. In total, 37 centimeters wide and 300 centimeters length for one section of the skirt. Sew top part with the ruffles. Sew small decorative string on horizontal seam. Prepare like this 5 details. Sew together all 5 details. Sew last vertical seam, leave opening for the zipper. Waist detail. Measure it to your waist before sewing. Make folding line in the middle. Sew waist detail to your skirt. secret zipper. Wishes from Soulmate, your go-to destination for stunning, easy-to-make sewing patterns.